clothes on that.
Come on, champ.
That's all you got to say?
Oh.
It's a good speech.
Alright,
Okay, come on.
alright.
Come
Let me get a close up of
Quick, we're
here.
not getting the toilet.
Holy shit, that's actually really scary.
Why? Come on.
Dude,
Alright.
we're not this in the toilet.
Don't.
It's shadow. You guys are getting.
Alright, pull it
Okay.
open.
Okay. Guys.
Hey,
You
you
want
want
to put your
help?
shirt up or
Wait.
no?
What the
You want
fuck? You
help?
staring the camera on my crotch. Fuck off.
At your shirt,
No, I
actually.
don't want to get shown out.
Look at Shadow.
What the hell?
Alright, here we go.
Man, I feel gay now. Is that me? I don't want to wrestle with a guy with no shirt on.
Shit.
Kurt.
Boxing.
Get out of the way.
He's just as gay.
At least he's a jacked guy with no shirt.
Alright, here we go.
That's
Touch
what matters.
touch gloves.
That's
Touch gloves and come out fighting.
Half-naked men, I guess.
Yeah, go attractive naked man.
Whoa.
I told you this was a bad idea. Oh, they got each other in the face.
Ball shot.
No balls.
Oh god, this is insane.
Hey, watch this. Watch this.
Okay, Shadow, stop.
Let him off the sink. We don't want him blacking out.
Okay, you have your angry face.
Oh god. Okay.
Ball.
Touch gloves again.
Oh, notice the UFC belt
I
buckle.
know.
I see that. Anyways, touch gloves. Stop being so angry, Shadow.
Calm down.
Coming towards the camera. Watch your table.
Oh.
What? That was a page shot. You bitch, you didn't even wait.
You ran into it.
You guys got
What
like
was it doing up that high anyway?
Robin, you're short. Get over it.
Not even that.
Dad, get out of the way.
sorry.
Easy, boys.
Shit, back it up.
Back to the
You guys got
You
20
just pushed me out. This is BS.
25 seconds and we're stopping this.
Fuck that. We're going to 2 minutes.
We are. I'm at 2:10. We're going to 2:30 technically. Watch the table.
Yes, click.
Hey,
Oh.
Toy shit.
it's done.
Okay, hug or whatever. Walk away. Doesn't matter. Good job. Well done.
Okay, guys, have a gay hug.